Hi there. Do you have long fussy hair and now you're beginning to have trouble with making cornrows? I know how it can be really difficult for us kings to easily make cornrows on your hair without, struggling with your hair tangling over each other. Now today I'm going to show you a simple way of how to achieve that. But before I show you, let me just show you what I have right now. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Dora. My subscribers, a big virtual hug to you. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel. A big virtual hug, and please do not forget to subscribe so that you can join the channel. So this is my protective style, and I realized that as my hair grew longer, it almost became a challenge for me to plait the cornrows on my hair. So today what I'm going to share with you is how I still create, I still manage to make the cornrows on my hair and still keep loving it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how I freshen up. This is my bottle, my water bottle. This is how I start it. So what I do, this is how I freshen up my hair guys. And when you have fussy hair, the longer it gets, the more difficult. Okay, for me, I'm not saying it's for everyone, or maybe for others it's easy for you to just get your hair and do the cornrows without having to to struggle with your hair to get it, to separate it as you go along with the cornrows. So what I do, I recently discovered a new method which actually works for me, and this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I hope you're all doing good. So when your hair is slightly of shorter length, it's quite easy to do the cornrows. That is what I have observed over time with my natural hair journey. So this is my hair. I'm just going to refreshen it up. Now what I do, now this is a protective style that I've been wearing, and these are twists. Okay, you notice that these are twists with plaits at the bottom. So basically this is how it looks like. Okay, so with my hair moisturized, and so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to put my hair back into cornrows. Remember, I already have, these are old twists. So it's very simple. You can imagine how hard it is if you're going to go through your individual hair, the way the cornrow is done. But now this, you kind of have pieces of hair to pick. And it takes a very short time. And it is just easy to make. I'll just turn this for you. And guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you can see what I'm doing really. This just makes it so easy for you at the end of the day. And also remember, it also helps to keep your hair stretched. Okay, when your hair is stretched, it's easy for you to manage your hair. Okay. probably need that, like that. Okay. And what I usually do, guys, when it comes to fussy hair, remember our tips need a lot of TLC. So this is my DIY homemade shea butter. I usually would just do something like this. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the next, to this part, to this section now. Again, the same way you do the cornrow, you get 3 and then you begin to plait. And it's so easy, guys, so easy. It takes less than 2 minutes to do it. I'll just show you. So if you want to achieve a perfect pattern, then you just make sure when you're doing your twists, make sure your twists, when you're making your twists, it should be the pattern or the way you part your hair, you should be able to make it possible. You make lines that. So what I usually do, I get this and then add this, something like this. Okay. Again, the tips of our hair. It's very important to give them oil, and to protect them, you just need to hide them. You can tuck this under your hair. So guys, here is our easy, less than 2 minute cornrow that you can actually do on your own. So these are my edges. Right now I'm trying to grow my edges, and you can see it has its own, I've made a flat twist. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know how do you do your cornrow, or show me the simplest way you'd achieve doing your cornrows on fussy, kinky hair without stretching it, because I know, I bet it's very difficult for most of us. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.